Your first week on Mistplay is usually when you'll have access to the widest selection of eligible games, but your earnings depend entirely on the offers available on your account and the progress you make in those games. By the end of this video, you'll know what a realistic first week looks like, what affects your rewards, and how to make better decisions before investing your time. Here's the direct answer. Don't expect your first week to tell you exactly how much you'll earn long term. The first few days are mainly about finding games that fit your interests while learning how Mistplay's reward system works. When you create your account, Mistplay presents a list of eligible games. Every game has its own reward structure, so it's worth comparing several options before installing one. Some games reward continued progress through multiple milestones, while others provide fewer earning opportunities. A common mistake is downloading every available game at once. A better approach is to choose one or two games that genuinely interest you and focus on making steady progress. That makes it easier to complete milestones and track which games are worth your time. The type of game you choose also matters. Strategy games, RPGs, idle games, puzzle games, and simulation titles often appear in the app, but the available selection changes regularly. The best offer for your account today may not be available next week, so always check the current game list instead of relying on older recommendations. Another factor is consistency. Playing the same eligible game long enough to reach additional milestones is generally more productive than constantly switching between games before making meaningful progress. Before starting any game, read the offer details carefully. Make sure you understand how rewards are earned and confirm that the game is eligible for your account. Spending a minute checking the requirements can save you from wasting hours on a game that doesn't match your goals. During your first week, pay attention to which types of games you enjoy most. If you actually like the gameplay, you're much more likely to keep playing long enough to unlock additional rewards than if you're forcing yourself through a game you don't enjoy. The key points are simple. First week earnings vary for every user. Your available game offers determine your earning opportunities, and focusing on games with multiple reward milestones is usually a better strategy than chasing every new offer. Your next step is to open Mistplay. Compare the current eligible games on your account, and start with the one that offers both enjoyable gameplay and a reward structure that encourages continued progress. If this guide helped you understand what to expect, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay tutorials, app comparisons, and rewarded app updates.